In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make the histogram for your dataset. To make that, first you have to activate the Analysis Toolpak in Microsoft Excel. For that, you have to go into File, then Options, then go to Add Scene. Here, under the option of Manage, make sure it is Excel Add Scene is selected. Then click Go. This will open up the new window from where you have to select the Analysis Toolpak option, then OK. This will add the Data Analysis section under the Data field. Now click the Data Analysis. Then from that given analysis tool, choose the histogram. Then click OK. This will open up the new window. First, you have to provide the input range. Input range is nothing but your data set. So I will select this one and I will select the entire data set. Then bin range. So this is the bin range 2468. Then I will not click label as I have not selected the data one as a label. So I have selected only our data. So I want the output in a new worksheet. So I have selected new worksheet. I want chart output. I will click OK. So we will get the histogram for our data set. So we can see as per given our bin range, the frequency has been already calculated. So we can see like for the 4 we are getting the frequency 3. So let's check for the 4, 1 and 2. The third is 3. So we can read like that. After the 2, whatever will be there, it will be calculated for the 4. So 3, 4 will be calculated for the bin reading 4. So this way we can get the histogram easily. I hope this video would have helped you. Thank you.